Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Do you wish to travel to lesser known places, explore small towns and hidden gems? Well, today we are heading to a quaint little village of Bayfield. It is situated on the shores of Lake Huron in southwest Ontario. The entire village was designated a heritage district in 1982. It is around 2.5 hours from Toronto and an hour from London. We first headed to the Pioneer Park. This is a beautiful park and has a spectacular view of Lake Huron. A perfect spot to relax, have a little picnic, or simply enjoy the view. There are also wooden stairs which lead to the beach. If you are on the hunt for watching the most beautiful sunsets, head to this park. This park is privately owned and maintained by the Pioneer Park Association. Next, we went to the Gregor Square. Gregor Square is located just a few meters from Bayfield's downtown. The park has a playground, splash pad, and lot of green space and a beautiful gazebo. A cenotaph to honor the World War I heroes stands at a very center of the space. The Bayfield Farmers Market runs every Friday afternoon from May to October. Also, Christmas in Bayfield kicks off around the second weekend of November with the lighting of the lights in Gregor Square. Just beside the children's swings area, I found this pamphlet which had information about the surrounding trails. There are various hiking and walking trails around the village, accommodating all kinds of skill and fitness levels, and also ranging from 1 to 5 kilometers. The most popular beach in Bayfield is the main beach. The village's marina and pier is located close to this beach too. After this, we went to have a look around downtown and noticed heavy construction going on, and at that very moment we received a weather warning and decided to get back to London. This was the first time I visited Bayfield and I fell in love with this quaint little town, especially for the beautiful nature views. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, keep exploring.